Boy, is it a crisp, sunny day today. About 46 degrees. And it's time. It's time that we start working in the grapes, along with working on the house. But that's what it's like when you're living on a farm. You got grapes, you got the house to work on, you got the barns to work on. Everything needs attention at this time of the year. Before you know it, it's going to need to be mowed. The grass. Today is a beautiful, sunny, and 63-degree day, and Papa and I are going to go out and work in the grapes. You ready for your first day in the grapes?
Let's go.
It was 30 years ago that Papa and I decided to have a post pounder fabricated to the side of the International Farmall 140. Since then, I bet we have pounded at least 1 million posts, but it's a heck of a lot easier than using a post hole digger by hand or an auger on the back of the tractor. Is this poison ivy?
I think so. Well, we can get a hold of it. Don't be afraid of it.
I already got poison ivy once. This is a corner post and we want it to look decent, so if we just put one next to it, it would knock off the whole alignment of the row. So that's why I'm doing this.
Wait a minute. Snow?
Wow, the weather was claiming that we were going to have a frost last night, but I wasn't expecting snow up to 2 inches deep. The air on the ground is warmer than the air above, and hopefully the snow insulated the buds on the grapes, but we'll see. It'll be a couple of days before we can see if there's any damage or not. Thank God for insurance. After 3 separate nights of 32 degrees and snow, I thought these grapes were toast. Boy, did we luck out. They're thriving like nobody's business. So the function of an anchor wire is really important. It holds and supports the end post so it doesn't snap off with all the weight, especially during harvest season when the grapes are so heavy. Apparently this one's motto is to never give up. It's been like this for at least 10 years, and I haven't the heart to change it. Unfortunately, during the summer, a tractor or a harvester will take out the anchor and it needs to be repaired. So let's get going on that.
Okay, fall back. That's it? That's okay. That's okay. Here's next.
Sometimes you can have repairs that are just a little bit larger than your typical repairs. Like when a broken post gets caught in the harvester and drags the post and the vines into a great big pile. Like this issue. The grapes were extremely heavy this year, and combined with wind, it can break post and really lay a row down. Please like, share, and subscribe so you can be notified of the next video on the Vineyard Farmhouse, the Grape Harvest.
Oh yeah? You're looking at me? What?